Hello, morning. Egun on guztioi, etxean zaudeten guztioi eta hemen zaudeten hori. Hirugarren ebaluaketako lehenengo proiektuarekin aurkezpetarekin hasiko gara. So we are going to start with the presentation of the third term problem situation. Here we have the first group.
Hello, we are Riker, Shivan and Mai, and we are going to present the project we have done, the train crossing. The objective of this project is to learn more about Arduino. This project is an imitation of a real train crossing. It has a train road and a car road. It is composed of two barriers and two traffic lights. When the train is coming, the train driver presses the push button and the barriers go down and the traffic lights turn red so the cars can't pass. When the train has passed, the barriers go up and the traffic lights turn green, allowing the cars to pass.
To create this project, we use three LEDs, one green, one yellow, and one red. Then we put two servo motors with two barriers and a push button that when you push, the barriers go up and the traffic lights put green.
To program this project, we have used the web Arduino blocks. At the beginning, we start beginning our own program, but finally, we decided to take one that was public in Arduino blocks, and we changed the number of the pips. Each LED and servo motor is connected to a pin in the Arduino Uno board. One part is to control the barriers and the servo motor, and the other part to control the traffic light, the LEDs.
And this is the result of our project.
Hello, we are Juan, Maya, Niger, and this is our train crossing. This is a Arduino connected to the proto one. Then we have two servo motors with two barriers and two traffic lights with green color LEDs. And this is the train road and this car road.
When the train is coming, the train driver presses the push button and the barriers go up and the traffic lights turn green so the cars can't pass. Now when the train has passed, the barriers go up and the traffic lights turn green and the cars can't pass.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Okay, while we prepare the second group, we'll have the trailer. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay, here we are again, hemen gaude berriro, with the second group.
Hello,
So-
we are Ortzi Gorka and Delaya, and we are going to show you our project. The objective of this project is to learn more about Arduino, and this project is an imitation of how an actual train works. Train crossing. Just like the real crossings, when the barrier is up, the green LED is on, which allows us to cross. Then, after a while, the green LED turns off and the yellow LED turns on to warn us that the barrier is going down. When the barrier reaches the lowest point, the yellow LED is off and the red LED is on. So we can't cross the, the road. After that sequence is the same. After that, the sequence is the same, but the other way around, which means that the order will be red, yellow, green instead of green, yellow, red. These two sequences repeat the same order endlessly.
Electric diagram. The main parts of the electric diagram are the Arduino and the breadboard. It has 6 LEDs, 3 on each side, and there are 2 of each color. So 2 LEDs are green, 2 are yellow, and 2 are red. This electric diagram also has 2 servo motors to control when the barriers go up and when they go down. This circuit also has resistors in it for it to function properly.
The program. That's the program that we created. We created it on our own because that it took us a lot of time. And this is how our project turned out.
Here we can see that when the barrier is up or opened, the green LED is on, and when it's going to close, the yellow LED is on to warn us, and when the barrier is closed, the red LED is on. And this sequence repeats all the time.
Thank you for listening.
Very well done. We'll have a spare time in order to prepare the third group. See you very soon. The third group is ready. So when you want, Joshua, Mikel, and Beñat and Unai.
Hello, we are Unai, Mikel, Beñat, and Josu, and we have been working in a project called Train Crossing. The main objective of this project is to apply our knowledge about Arduino and its functioning. In fact, several sensors and actuators are involved in this single project. First of all, we have the LEDs. Each traffic light has 3 different LEDs, so there are 6 LEDs in total. The same color LEDs are synchronized, and they change depending on the position of the stick.
Microservo motor. They move up and down to let the train pass or cut a car's flow. Arduino plate is connected to synchronize everything, making possible the whole project. The microcontroller connecting LED light and microservo motor. The project tries to copy a real situation which a car stopped to let the train pass. After it passed, the car's way open and the cars can go on. First of all, the traffic lights are red and the barrier is down.
Then the color changes to yellow, and afterwards the stick goes up. When the car's road is free, the LEDs are green. Later, when a train is getting closer, the LEDs turn to red and yellow while the barrier closes.
This is our electric diagram we created in Arduino blocks. It has LEDs and servo motors. The LEDs are light emitting diodes and which are used in almost everywhere, like cars or cinemas. A current flows from the anode and it goes to a microchip which turns up the lights and then it goes out from the cathode.
The servo motor is an electrical motor that has different types of positions, moving modes and speeds, and we program it using a software. They are connected to a plate with 3 wires. One it is going to a positive, the other one to a negative, and the other one to Arduino plate.
This is the program. At the beginning, we were doing the program in our own, but at the ending, Orti helped us.
Wait a little bit, we are going to put a video of our project result. There we can see that when the barrier is down, the red light is, and when the barrier goes up, when they for little.
Here we have. Here we have the fourth group.
Hello.
Okay, you can start when you want.
Hello, we are Beñat, Ander and Aroa, and we are going to present our project, the train crossing. The objective of this project is to learn more about Arduino. This project is the imitation of a real train crossing. It has 2 barriers and 2 traffic lights with red, amber, and green lights. When the train is coming, the train driver presses the push button and the barriers go down and the light turns red. And when the train driver pushes the push button again, the barriers go up and the light turns green.
This is an electric diagram of Arduino. It's composed by an Arduino that's the brain of our project and a breadboard. It has 2 servo motors with 2 barriers and 3 LEDs in both sides that are red, green and amber, and a push button. It's important to connect well the negative and the positive to work properly the project.
This is the program. To program this project, we use Arduino blocks. This program makes us easier to program the project. There are 2 situations. When the train driver pushes the push button, the barriers are cerrado, and the LED turns red. And the second situation is when when push the push button, the barriers are abierto and the LED is green.
This is the video of the results.
This is our train crossing. It has 2 barriers and 2 traffic lights, red, amber, and green lights.
When the train is coming, the train driver presses the push button and the barrier goes down and the light turns red.
And when the train driver pushes the push button again, the barriers go up and the light turns red.
Thank you.
Okay, we prepare the 5th project and we'll come in a couple of minutes. See you soon. Thank you. Here we have the fifth group. So when you want, you can start.
Hello, we are Urko, June and Unai, and we have studied about a project topic analog electronics, and we are going to present that. With this project, we have put into what we have studied, how to use LEDs, how to connect a servo motor, and how to use a push button.
This is the electrical diagram of our project. It is composed by Arduino Uno. It is the brain of the project, the breadboard for connecting the Arduino with the different components, the LEDs and the servo motors. On the one hand, we have the push button and we use it to control the barriers. Like I said before, there are two servo motors for the barriers. They have the positive, negative and the signal terminals, and finally the LEDs, red, green and amber ones. They are very simple because they only have the positive and the negative terminals.
The program. This is the program that we have created to work the project like we want. We divided these programs in two parts, one for the barriers and the other for the lights. The first one is of the lights. Like we see in the beginning, we can see the LEDs we used. For each LED, we put which pin is in the Arduino, the localization of where the cables are connected. Then we can see when we push the push button which light must light up, the green one, and if we push again, the red one will light up. This is the first part, the first part of the program. In the second part, we control the servo motors. When we push the push button, the green LED light up and the barriers go up. If we push again, the red LED light up and the barriers go down.
Now we are showing you a video about the final result. This is the final result of our project. Our project contains LED lights, two servo motors and a push button.
The explanation of the working of our train crossing is the following one. When we press the push button, the axis of two servo motors moves, so the barriers open and close.
When the barriers move, the LED's color changes also. When the barriers are open, traffic lights turn green, and when the barriers are closed, the lights turn red.
Thank you for listening.
We only have one group left, so we are going to wait 1 minute or two, and we are due to finish our presentations. Thank you.
Hello, we are.
This is the last presentation. You can start. Okay, Luke and Aroa.
Hello, we are Naro and Luken, and this is the Bluetooth car.
We have taken the remote control Bluetooth car and we improved the direction. Then we installed a servo motor and that moves the angel to turn right or left. And now we are going to show you the car.
So when we depress the forward button, and we stop. And when we depress the backward button,
Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you all the parents that have been at home. Thank you very much. Eskerrik asko etxean egon zareten guztioi. Ondo izan, hurrengo batera arte.